Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Product Station.
Number 5. OBO Hands Door Access Control System Kit RFID Keypad plus Power Supply plus Electric 180 kg Magnetic Lock Strike Door Locks for Home. Description: Access Controller. User Capacity, 1000. Card Reading Type, EM Card. Card Reading Distance, 1-5 cm. Identification Method, Card, Password, Card plus Password. Programming Password, 123456. Unlocking Time, 5 seconds. Open the door input, all the way to open the button input. Doorbell output, one-way wired doorbell output. Can be connected to automatic door or gate. Working voltage, DC 12V plus or minus 10%. Working power supply, less than 100 milliamperes. Working temperature, 0 degrees Celsius 60 degrees Celsius, size of A1, 113 by 70 by 20 mm. Number 4. ElecPow 2.4G Wi-Fi Tuya App Access Control System Kits Waterproof RFID Fingerprint Keypad Electric Door Magnetic Lock Strike Lock. Description: Product features. 1. Supports 1000 users, 990 regular users plus 10 guest users. 2. IP66 waterproof, can be used in rainy days without affecting the use of equipment. 3. Multiple unlocking methods, supporting fingerprint, password, card, and mobile Tuya app unlocking. Product parameters. Product model, CF1 EM Wi-Fi. Pin length, 4 to 6 digits. Card type, 125 kHz EM. EM card, WAGEN 26 to 44-bit input automatic recognition. Backlight, can be set to automatically turn off after 20 seconds. Material, ABS. Number 3. IP68 Waterproof Door Access Control System Kit RFID Keypad plus Power Supply plus 180 kg Electric Magnetic Strike Door Locks for Home. Description: Support RFID card, password, RFID card plus password to open the door. Support 3000 card and password. User capacity, can set card plus password to open the door, more secure. IP68 waterproof, can be installed outdoor. With full PC glue in the back side, IP68 rating, can work in the rain and storm. Backlight keypad. The digits number can be seen clearly even at dark. Number 2. Outdoor Access Control System Kit Set Waterproof RFID Keypad 125 kHz 13.56 MHz NFC plus 180 kg Electric Magnetic Lock Strike Locks. Description: Support RFID card, password, mobile phone NFC to open the door. Support 10,000 cards, 10,000 password. User capacity, more secure. Can set management card. Very easy to program. Don't need to connect to computer. IP68 waterproof. Can be installed outdoor. With full PC glue in the back side, IP68 rating, can work in the rain and storm. White backlight keypad. The digits number can be seen clearly even at dark. Can set normally open model. Frequent entry and exit can be set to normally open model. Easy installation and operation. Based on advanced technology, fast recognition speed, high sensitivity. Suitable for most major access control solutions. Number 1. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi Tuya App Access Control System Kits RFID Fingerprint Keypad Electric Door Magnetic Lock Strike Locks Kit Waterproof. Specifications. Direction: None. Security mode: Fail-safe with signal. Model number: CF1 EM Wi-Fi Kits. Brand name: Asiatico. Origin: Mainland China. Smart home platform: Tuya. Communication: 2.4G Wi-Fi. Working frequency: 125 kHz mobile app, Tuya app and smart life. User capacity 1000 user. Password capacity 1000 user. Weekend output WG26 output. Waterproof grade IP66 waterproof. Reading distance 0 to 10 cm. Working voltage DC 12V. Working current less than 100 milliamperes. Backlight yes. Touch keypad.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.